Choosing the right tool for Java development can make or break your workflow. Today we're pitting IntelliJ IDEA against Visual Studio Code in a head-to-head comparison. Let's dive in. IntelliJ IDEA by JetBrains is a powerhouse IDE built for Java. Its free community edition offers robust features, while the paid Ultimate edition adds enterprise tools like Spring and Java EE support. IntelliJ shines with intelligent code completion, advanced refactoring, and seamless integration with Maven and Gradle. Its debugger is top-notch, and the vast plugin ecosystem lets you customize endlessly. However, it's heavier on system resources and can feel complex for beginners. Visual Studio Code from Microsoft is a free, lightweight code editor that transforms into a Java IDE with the extension pack for Java. It's fast, highly customizable, and supports multiple languages through its massive extension marketplace. VSCode offers solid debugging, Git integration, and Spring Boot support, but its Java features rely heavily on extensions, which can be less polished than IntelliJ's out-of-the-box experience. So, which is better? IntelliJ IDEA is the go-to for enterprise projects. Its deep Java integration and comprehensive tools make it ideal for large-scale deployment, though it's resource-intensive. VS Code is perfect for smaller projects, beginners, or polyglot developers who want a lean, free tool with flexibility. If you're focused on solely Java, IntelliJ's polish wins. For versatility and speed, VS Code takes the lead. Ultimately, your choice depends on your project size and preferences. Check out our comparison chart below and let us know your pick in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and happy coding!